हेलो, हमने ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग में क्या स्टडी किया था अभी तक? In traditional marketing also, the process of building and maintaining customer relationships is there. However, it is there through physical contact. Am I right? Whereas here in digital marketing, it is done through online activities. And what are these online activities? It can be Flipkart, it can be social media marketing, that is LinkedIn, it can be Facebook, it can be WhatsApp, web marketing. Are you getting my point? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we need to understand why people are going online. Best example right now is Corona. The current scenario of Corona, which is going on, still business has to happen, right? People have to buy things, people have to consume things, people have to buy the products and services. आपको खाने के लिए you need food. Am I right? However, the physical contact has been restricted because of the Corona scenario right now. Therefore, what is the other option? Because we need to satisfy our needs and wants. Am I right?
Yeah.
The economy has to run. So how is the economy going to run? The promotion of online, the promotion of digital marketing. Don't you think in the last 3 months, because of this coronavirus, the amount of digital enhancement, the amount of online activity, has it gone up? Do you all
Yes, sir.
agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. आप लोग भी ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स कर रहे हो, आपने फीस अपने ऑनलाइन पेमेंट्स जमा किए.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
There is no physical involvement, correct?
Yes,
You have
sir.
paid your examination fees online. Your
Yes,
banking is happening online today. You are purchasing. In fact, if you must be aware, Amazon has started delivering even groceries, fruits and vegetables through their online platform. All of you aware?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Go online. So these are the reasons why people go online. For information on a new product, service or location. Then people also go online if they have a question, if they are looking for help. Don't you browse the net, don't you browse the Google or other search engine options to find out information? You do that, right? All of us do that. So if they want more information on certain individuals or organizations, then people also go online for meeting attendance, for business contacts. LinkedIn is one of the best ways to generate lot of listening in terms of business contacts. Do you agree with me? Beta, it has to be an interactive session. Friends, you people have to speak out. Hello? Nobody is saying anything. What is the problem? I have not muted anybody. Have I? And why only so many less students? Why people are not attending? Hello, Prashant. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
कोई जवाब कोई दे ही नहीं रहा है. So do you agree with me when I say that LinkedIn is one of the wonderful platforms for generating business contacts?
हाँ, sir.
Okay. So then also to inquire about general information, about new employees, about the available jobs, and many other various ways why people go online, right? So with the constant growth of the web and more people getting connected every day, digital marketing has become a necessity for many organizations. This also includes small businesses that want to trade online and make a name for themselves on the web. One of the best examples right now in the local level, I can say, among our students itself is Swapnil Paigude. He is having this Farsan business, which he has taken on online platform. And he has created a Google form wherein people can access that Google form, get to know of the various products that is available with him in terms of the Farsan business. They can order online, they can pay online, and then the products can be delivered to people. Okay, so this is on a local level. Now Alibaba is on a larger scale, which you can talk about. Amazon is there, Flipkart is there. You will be surprised to know, students, that the internet penetration in India has gone up drastically. Now we have reached to the level of around 70% people who are accessing the net. And the greatest penetration has been in terms of the rural sector. The rural people have started accessing the net drastically on a higher side. And if I talk about a state which is number one right now in terms of internet accessibility in the rural sector, it is Bihar. Okay, so that is the amount of business opportunity that is available if any organization, small or big, decides to go online via digital marketing. Okay, so the web is crowded with information. If you have a website, can these people reach you that are searching the web for answers? Yes, that is what is search engine optimization, wherein you put in the correct words in your web so that when those words are put by people who are trying to search for any information, then your website will register at the topmost. So that is what is search engine optimization. So to further the digital marketing overview, so there are many benefits of digital marketing over traditional marketing. First of all, it puts the consumer in control in the sense that the product or service that is being provided in traditional marketing is that this is what is available and this is what you need to take. Whereas in digital marketing, you have a lot of options. Okay? Then it provides convenience in the sense that you can sit at your home and you can order online and you can just wait without wasting time and doing some other activity while your order is getting processed. So it provides convenience. That it increases satisfaction in the sense that you have not wasted your time. You have utilized your time in some other activity. There are a lot of discounts which are available online because there's a lot of competition. So therefore, you save money also. Since you are not traveling physically to any shop or mall to do your purchases, you are saving on your time as well as your petrol costs. So it increases the level of satisfaction when the product or service is delivered to you. Then it drives brand loyalty. Suppose you like the product which has been delivered to you online. You will go and talk to 5 different people and tell them that this product is wonderful, that this company is wonderful. Does it happen so? Hello?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So you are building a brand loyalty for the organization, for the product or service. आज केतकी भी नहीं है, आज ध्यानेश्वरी भी नहीं है. Lot of people are not there यार.
सर ज्ञानेश्वरी को चलाना नहीं आ रहा.
We have 43 students in marketing.
Yes, sir.
Kiran Gaikwad is not marketing, but she is still
Marketing
attending.
student. Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
And my marketing students are not attending. You are the only one from the marketing lot who is attending.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then it reduces the selling cycle in the sense कि पहले का जमाना ये था. Suppose I talk about Bajaj scooters. When it was launched, I'm talking about the 1970s and 80s. There was a waiting period for the product to be delivered to the person by paying first and then waiting for almost 2 months for the product to be delivered. You must be seeing this in the Maruti segment also, the car segment. When Baleno was launched or Brezza was launched, people had to pay in advance and then they had to wait for a month for the product to be delivered to them, right? However, when we talk about digital marketing, then the selling cycle is reduced in the sense that you pay online today and in 2 days time the product is delivered to you. Do you agree with me? हाँ या ना? Selling
हाँ,
cycle
sir.
reduce होता है या नहीं?
Yes, sir. होता है.
होता है ना? Then
हाँ.
it reduces the cost of sales because it is directly getting procured from the manufacturer and directly reaching to the consumer. Then all the intermediary costs that are involved, that is agent ka cost, या transportation cost, या broker का cost, distributor, stockist, ये सब जो costs involved होते हैं, वो सारे बच जाते हैं, and therefore the cost of sales gets reduced. Therefore, you receive the product at a much lower price. So it benefits in terms of reducing the cost of sales. Then it builds your brand. Just as we talked about drives brand loyalty in the fourth point, similarly, it helps in building the brand for the organization, for the product. Why? Because all the other points that we have spoken above are the benefits that are getting created. Similarly, it provides the targeted results in the sense that this is what I plan to achieve by selling these many number of products and services. That is also possible. Why? Because all the other benefits which we have just spoken about has happened. So therefore, the target that has been planned can be achieved. It is measurable. You can measure that. We'll talk more in detail about measurement. And it is cost effective. Why? Because it is getting directly procured from the manufacturer and directly getting delivered to the consumer. Therefore, it becomes cost effective. तो ये हमने बात किया digital marketing overview के benefits. Now, what are the key components? What does digital marketing consist of? Okay, so it consists of website design, that is the user experience. It consists of search engine optimization, pay per click, social media marketing, email marketing, display advertising, that is banner ads, affiliate marketing, content marketing, and online reputation management. Now, anybody can explain to me what is display advertising? Prashant?
हाँ, sir.
So what do you understand by display advertising?
सर हम जब फ्लिपकार्ट ओपन करते तो वहाँ पे होते हैं वो एडवर्टाइजिंग.
Exactly. Excellent. And what is affiliate marketing? Anybody? Kiran? Kiran, what would be affiliate marketing? लगता है किरण ने सिर्फ एक्सेस किया है. उत्कर्षा, वैभवी, anybody?
No, sir.
No idea, sir.
No idea. So
Yeah.
affiliate marketing is wherein in the same website, there are two different companies' products which are getting marketed. Okay. So that is affiliate marketing. We have seen that, right? We access Google and there is some other ad also which comes in, which suddenly pops up. That is affiliate marketing. Then content marketing. मैं उसी चीजों को समझा रहा हूं जो यहाँ पे हार्ड दिख रहा है, बाकी सब चीजें आपको समझ में आ रही हैं. In case you have a question, please ask me. So content marketing is wherein we talk about the details of the content. Now all the educational institutes, when they market their products, Byju's, what does it do? It does content marketing. Okay? Then online reputation management, wherein other people doing the likes. YouTube में you get paid on the number of likes that come in. Of course, that's a huge thing, which is around 1 lakh likes has to be there for you to start receiving money from YouTube. So you are actually building the online reputation of by getting 1 lakh clicks. So that is what is meant by online reputation management. Clear? Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay.
सर कंटेंट मार्केटिंग फिर से समझ.
Okay. Content marketing is basically when the educational institutes do their marketing, the industrial organizations, they do their marketing of their products because the details of the product or service have to be explained in detail. Am I right? So Byju's does what? Byju's is promoting its educational platform by doing content marketing. Am I right?
हाँ सर.
Hello? समझ में आया?
हाँ सर. हाँ हाँ.
अभी अगर इंडस्ट्रियल मार्केटिंग, टाटा स्टील को अगर उसके स्टील को बेचना है तो वो स्टील को एडवर्टाइज करके नहीं बेचेगी ना, वो स्टील के सारे कंटेंट के बारे में बात करेगी. दीज आर दी स्पेसिफिकेशंस, दिस इज द मटेरियल, दिस इज हाउ इट हैज बीन मेड. आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
यस सर.
अगर डॉक्टर अपने आप को प्रमोट करेगा तो डॉक्टर अपने सारे क्वालिफिकेशंस को लिखेगा. आप कैसे अपना सीवी बनाते हो और वो सीवी को आप मार्केट करते हो वाया लिंक्डइन, वाया naukri.com, वाया so many other places. ठीक? So that is content marketing. Clear?
यस सर.
Okay. Then we will understand what are the digital marketing objectives. So basically the 5 objectives which are there: reaching the right audience, to engage with your audience, to motivate your audience to take action. If you remember, in my marketing management classes, I used to talk about IDA: attention, interest, desire, action. So here also, in digital marketing, you motivate your customers to take action. So first thing what we'll do over there is creating the attention. So your website or your product details has to be so attractive that people should get attracted towards it. And the search engine optimization has to be so strong that when somebody is searching for a mobile, your company product has to come at the topmost. Are you getting my point? So that is creating. Then the person will go into the specifications of the products and services. Suppose if I'm talking about mobile. So when the specifications are as per the requirement of the latest which is going on in the market, then the person will get interested. So AI, and then the desire. Then the price has to be so attractive, the discounts have to be so attractive, the features have to be so attractive. If I'm talking about a mobile phone, the person has to get interested and should have the desire to have that product. Take and action. The last stage is action. That he should be cajoled, he should be pushed, he should be mentally prepared to now purchase the product. So that is the third point, to motivate your audience to take action. Then efficient spending on your campaign, that is advertising, and return on investment. That is your break even. You should be knowing by when you should be able to start making profits if you have started a digital marketing platform. So the goal of digital marketing is about generating sales and capturing leads from customers that are searching on the internet for answers. आपको दिन में कितने फोन कॉल्स आते हैं लोन्स के लिए? Hi Shubham, nice to see you, but very late. And I
Sorry,
don't know
sir.
who this Redmi 5 कौन है?
तर मैं वो पूजा मोहिते.
Ah, Pooja, hi, how are you?
Hi, fine sir.
Okay, good. ठीक है, तो आपको लोन्स के लिए कितने फोन्स आते हैं दिन में? कोई एक दिन बोलो.
जॉब नहीं तो सर लोन के लिए फोन भी नहीं आते ना.
अरे लेकिन पापा मम्मी को तो आते होंगे ना घर में.
हाँ हाँ.
हाँ
गोल्ड
बहुत सारे.
So where is this
हमें नहीं आते.
information? आपको भी आएंगे बेटा, एक बार नौकरी पकड़ लोगे तो आपको भी आएंगे.
जॉब के बाद आते हैं.
When these people are getting calls for loans, how do you think these loan companies are getting the information? इनको डेटा कहां से मिलता है? Because जो लास्ट पॉइंट आप ध्यान से पढ़ो, digital marketing is about generating sales or capturing leads from customers that are searching on the internet for answers. तो अगर आप मोबाइल में गूगल एक्सेस करते हो ना, तो आपका बैकएंड में आपका सारा इंफॉर्मेशन कहीं और स्टोर हो रहा है. आपका नाम, आपका फोन नंबर. Are you getting it? And this data Google sells to the various companies for their lead generation, for their loan activities and all these things. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
That is how it is done. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. कैसे digital marketing has evolved over the years. So if I talk about 10 years back, when digital marketing was evolving, it was more of a search engine optimization. That was organic search. जब आप लोग छोटे थे तो आप लोग Google access करते थे, but उस वक्त में it was just organic search. That is building a website, applying the art of on and off page SEO to your website, building links, building more links, and building even more backlinks, focus on the meta tags, content, etc. Then you used to hope it shows up in Google someday. आपको मालूम नहीं था कैसे search engine optimization करना है, and all these various points. It was like fishing and hoping you will get a catch. अब का जो situation है, it is paid search. Earlier it was organic search which you were doing yourself, and now it is paid search wherein you give it to Google, you give it to Yahoo, you give it to various other search engine optimization companies to design your website and to provide you those links wherein when people are searching for your type of company or product, you appear at the topmost. So Google's AdWords 3-line ads that show up on the right top of search engine results. Then Microsoft also does that. Yahoo does it. Then builds ads around keywords and pay for everyone that clicks the ad and visits your site. Clear? So this is what about paid search, AdWords, organic search. Acha, all these material will be available on Moodle for you people to refer. Okay? This is what the future of digital marketing looks like. इसमें से बहुत कुछ अभी we are using right now, and many things will be coming up. We are doing video campaigns. Am I right? Wikis is already on. Wikipedia. Social bookmarks are there like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We have forums that is digital platforms wherein we can put in our words and comments. We have social networking, that is again WhatsApp is there, LinkedIn is there, Facebook is there. So these all various examples which have been given in between in that circle. Then photo sharing is there, blogging is there. A lot of people are doing bloggings these days. That is, they talk about the various events, the various products, the various services that are available. Then micro blogging is there. Okay? So this is what the future of digital marketing looks like. Now, what I mean to say over here is the opportunity for people in marketing to take up a career in digital marketing is wonderful, is excellent, because these are the various options that are available and it pays a lot of money. So you need not worry about money part when you want to make a career in digital marketing. Okay? So we will stop today because we are just 5 minutes short. I leave the floor open for questions. We will continue further in the next lecture. Any questions from anybody till now?
No, sir.
All done?
Yes, sir.
So how is your SIP going on? चलिए अब थोड़ा सा मैं टॉपिक से बाहर निकलता हूँ. How is your SIP going on?